My country people them, it don't happen again. Cameroon government, you see people them, they need authorization. They need for right application for get cutlass. Now I ask myself, now who say it don't happen for this world? People them way that they suffer already. They cannot even eat. They not even move from one place to the other because the whole place is military. They not even farm. Then the only source where they use them for chop, feed their picking them, you want to take it away from them. My brother, wait till nothing. This is pushing people to the wall, sending them to the bush, and terrorizing them, making them to become more terrorists as we. They are already caught. So I ask myself, now so they don't start asking for the authorization to acquire cutlass, where if you use them for farm, very soon they will ask you authorization to acquire a knife to clean cocoyam, a spoon to eat. You go even need authorization for enter motor, go to the other town. Why are they doing this? This country we don't raise spoil, finish. It does scatter. It is condemned every day. We dey pray, may peace reign. We dey pray, may peace come back. May this country be as we be before. Instead, that our prayer for, instead even do something, instead things that go worst. Government, instead for try to create stability, instead push people to the wall, make people then become more violent. I think say the officials, the way they come up with this decision, they get to give everything if they are helping or they are destroying, because this is destruction. Because if you take away the only thing I have, what do you expect of me? Me say you don't kill me. It's suicide mission. We get children the way they don't go to school, they graduate, they don't get work. Their only hopes now for buy collateral back for bush. That work. Cutlass. Now you put chop for my mouth. Now you wear me clothes. Now you send me for school. Now you bring me for bush. So they say don't cut the finger that fed you. Why do you want to take away that? The only thing, the only treasure with the people they get up. Una dey on a high horses. Una don't know how they survive. Una they ride big cars. No, eat in big restaurants, people who are just surviving. Now one just go finish it. I think say it's not good. And I'm pleading to all Cameroonians from the 10 provinces, you guys should rise up and speak like one voice. It's not acceptable. It's not accepted. We did pray for peace. We hope for peace. And we believe in peace. But this one is taking us to pieces. Very soon, they're like say people go to ask authorization for go school. Or you know go even go to school. Which kind of life we will not want to make the people that live? I think this news it will go far, and I believe say the Cameroon officials will listen. This is our cry. Most of we want peace, but this is not bringing peace, it's bringing war. Allow the people to survive. You can't give them anything. You can't give them job, infrastructure, nothing. You cannot give them. The only thing that they can do is to feed themselves, and you want to take it away. Anything say you send them back to the bushes. You are creating more division, more wars. Because very soon you go start here. They don't arrest him, and why? They say you don't get authorization for get colors. You don't get authorization for enter motor. All those things, you just create loopholes them for people them, for the frustrate people them, extort from people them. So whoever inside the government way he make that decision, I think say when I get for go revisit the decision and take them back people now, because it not fit the current situation for our country we dey now. So with the bank now, make una not put petrol for or inside fire, because that is exactly what you guys are doing. understand? I no go talk more. I don't talk my voice. I don't make my voice be heard. I dey beg all Cameroonians them una unite like one. Una raise una voice against this. This one will instead push we more to the war than bringing peace to this nation. So please do something. Do something. The people of Cameroon, raise your voice. The government of Cameroon, think about it. Make we not do things before think. At least make we think before we do things. Thank you now. And maybe Grand Casserole, the only #1 Tory man for the whole Western Hemisphere.